Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn a new lesson 27, being sensitive. So today we are going to learn lesson 27, being sensitive. Please all of you open your book, page number 40. Open your book, page number 40. So being sensitive towards others means being careful and thoughtful about what you will say or do which will affect others. So being sensitive means before do something or to talk something to others, we have to think whether shall I do this one, or if we talk badly, if I tell this words to him or she, what they will think, whether they will hurt or not. So before to talk something or do something, we have to think. Okay, we should not hurt everyone. So likewise here, in this lesson we have 6 points how to avoid to hurt others. Okay, so the first point, be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. Polite means we have to talk a good words. We have to say good words. If they did mistake also, we should not scold them directly. We should not tell them directly you did these mistakes. Because of that only you are suffering now. But we should not tell them directly, but indirectly we should say about that mistake and we should make them to realize their mistake. Okay, that is the first point. Be polite to everyone, either elder or younger, your enemy's friend, to all. We have to polite. We have to talk. We have to use while talking polite words. So give me pencil. Give me your notebook. Show me your book. Not like that. Can you give me your pencil? Can you show me your books? Okay, likewise, these words are polite words. Okay, and second one, don't laugh if someone falls down. Yes, this mistake we have did in our day-to-day life. Among your friends, if anyone fell down, others are standing and laughing. We should not help them. Okay, no? We don't want to help them. We just stand and we look at them, we are laughing, but that is not good. Okay, that is bad. So if anyone fall down, we should help them to come out. So get up from that place. We should help them to get up from the place. So if anyone fall down, we should not stand and we should not make any comment. Instead of that, we should help them to get up from the place. And third one, include new students as your friends in a class. So in your class, you are the old students. One new students came to your class. So how do we treat them? Okay, they should not know where is the class third and who is the class teacher of third and where is the sister office, where is the principal office, where is the washroom, where is the drinking water. They should not know. So we should guide them in a good manner. Okay, we should tell them, we should introduce others also in a good manner. So we should not avoid them, we should not keep away in our classroom. So we should tell them to join in our group. Okay, so you have to make them this place for him is comfortable. Okay, he or she should not feel I am new for this school, I am new for this classroom, I met new friends, I am in a new circle, new surroundings. They should not feel like that. We should encourage them to be happy in our school or classroom. That is our duty. So the third point, include new students as your friends in a class. We should include them. Okay? We should not avoid them. And fourth one, never treat a poor person badly. Never treat a poor person badly. Yes, this is a true one. So those were in your class. For example, we have 30 students or 40, 32 students or 20, 25. Okay? So among that 20, 25, all are is not a good in studies, all are is not bad in studies. Few are good, few are in the average, and few are in the, they are improving their knowledge and their studies. So those who are good, they should help them to those who are in average and those who are is trying to achieve their level. Okay, to them we have to help them. So for them, we should not say, you don't know anything else, you can't learn, you can't do, you can't write. Okay, we should give them, we should say some boosting words to them. You can, yes, you can learn, you can write, you can do this sum. Okay, so this is the way to improve their knowledge. So never treat a poor person badly. So we should not treat them, you could not learn, you should not learn. So we should not tell them, we should not keep them out. Okay, we should not keep them away. So we should mingle with them and we should say to them, you have to learn likewise. This is the pronunciation of this word. Okay, so then they will also improve their knowledge. And fifth point, don't treat someone rudely just because he is darker or fairer in complexion. Okay, God made all of them, all of us equal. Yes, this is the next problem. Okay, so I am the fair girl, I am the beautiful, I am the handsome boy, I am thin, I am tall, I am short. Okay, I am fatty, I am black, I am having black skin. Okay, don't bother about it. Okay, whatever, God makes us beautiful. God has treated everyone as equal. So as a human being, we also treat our colleagues, neighbors, relatives as equal. If you are rich, no problem. If they are not rich, then also no problem. Okay, we should treat them as equal. If you have more, you just share with your friends, your relatives. Then they will also become rich. If you are fair, if you are white, or he is black, he is thin, it doesn't matter. If you are white and thin, you are some other beauty. And if he is fat and black, he is another beauty. Only white is not a beauty, only black is not a beauty. God makes all us a beautiful and handsome boy. And the next point, sixth one, don't tease anyone. Yes, don't tease anyone. It will hurt very soon. Okay, it will hurt very badly. Okay, if we have some injury, we can apply medicine and we can take injection, we can take tablet, then it will cure. If you say some words, no, it will hurt. It will not, it will give some pain. Okay, so physical, if we have anything else, we can cure, but hardly if we have any pain, it will take time to cure. So before do anything else, before talk to somebody, please use the polite words. Okay, so before do anything else, before talk, we have to think once or twice. Then you have to talk with others. Clear? So hereafter, in your class, among your friends, don't tease anyone and don't treat anyone badly. If you have 2 or 3 pencils, you just share with him. If he doesn't have a pencil, you should give him. That is the help. This is what makes us equal. Okay, so this is the lesson 27, being sensitive. So hereafter, I hope you will talk with others. While talking, you will use polite words, and don't laugh if anyone falling down, and don't tease a poor person. Don't treat a poor person badly, and don't tease anyone. If any new students comes in your classroom, treat them as a good way, and don't treat someone rudely just because of a fear. Okay, so learn well and read once again all the points in lesson 27 and try to follow in our day-to-day life. Thank you and have a nice day.